Prepare to elevate your kitchen with breathtaking decor ideas that will turn it into your ultimate stylish sanctuary. Join us for a journey of inspiration and transformation. Let's make your dream kitchen a reality. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel HD Interiors. Today, we're diving into the best kitchen decor ideas to transform your cooking space into a stylish haven. Whether you're looking to refresh your kitchen with a modern minimalist look, add a touch of rustic charm, or bring bold colors into your space, we've got you covered. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore various decor styles that can elevate your kitchen's aesthetic and functionality. From sleek and contemporary to warm and traditional, there's a perfect kitchen decor style for everyone. So, let's get started and find the inspiration you need to make your kitchen the heart of your home. First up, let's explore the clean and sophisticated world of modern minimalism. Modern minimalism is all about creating a sleek, clutter-free space that feels open and airy. This style focuses on clean lines, neutral colors, and functional design. Neutral colors like white, gray, and beige dominate the modern minimalist kitchen. These colors create a calm and serene environment, allowing other elements in the room to stand out. Pair these tones with sleek, handleless cabinets to enhance the streamlined look. Integrated appliances are also a key feature, as they blend seamlessly into the design, maintaining a smooth and uninterrupted flow. A clutter-free countertop is essential in a minimalist kitchen. To achieve this, consider installing hidden storage solutions such as pull-out drawers and built-in organizers. These features help keep everyday items out of sight, ensuring your kitchen remains tidy and organized. Lighting plays a crucial role in modern minimalism. Opt for simple, understated light fixtures that complement the overall design. Recessed lighting or pendant lights with clean lines can add a touch of elegance without overwhelming the space. Adding a few carefully chosen accessories can bring warmth and personality to your minimalist kitchen. Think about incorporating natural elements like wooden cutting boards, potted herbs, or a simple vase with fresh flowers. These touches soften the overall look and make the space feel inviting. By embracing modern minimalism, you can create a kitchen that is both stylish and functional, perfect for those who appreciate simplicity and elegance. Rustic charm brings warmth and coziness with natural wood finishes, vintage accents, and warm colors. Natural wood is key. Use wooden cabinets, countertops, and exposed beams for a warm, authentic feel. Reclaimed wood or distressed finishes enhance this look. Vintage accents add character. Incorporate antique appliances, farmhouse sinks, and retro kitchenware. Decorative items like mason jars and metal signs also work well. Warm colors such as terracotta, olive green, and mustard yellow create a cozy atmosphere. Use these tones in wall paint, tiles, and accessories. Textiles like patterned curtains, checkered tablecloths, and woven rugs bring texture and comfort. Natural fabrics like linen and cotton are ideal. Open shelving adds to the rustic aesthetic and provides easy access to everyday items. Display dishes and cookware for a lived-in feel. Plants and greenery, such as potted herbs and hanging plants, add life and freshness to the kitchen. Bold and colorful kitchens make a big impact with vibrant hues and unique patterns. consider bright shades like turquoise, yellow, or red for cabinets, or a colorful backsplash with pattern tiles. These elements can uplift the mood and add a striking visual appeal. Incorporate unique patterns through tiles, wallpaper, or murals. Geometric shapes, florals, and abstract designs create focal points and add interest. Statement pieces like a brightly colored island, unique light fixtures, or vibrant bar stools can serve as eye-catching elements and conversation starters. Mix and match colors and patterns for a playful, eclectic vibe. Contrast and balance different textures to achieve a dynamic look. Accessories like colorful cookware, dishware, and decor items such as fruit bowls, vases, and artwork can tie the look together and add a personal touch. By embracing bold colors and patterns, you create a lively, personality-filled kitchen perfect for cooking and gathering. High-tech modern kitchens combine cutting-edge technology with sleek design. Smart appliances like a smart refrigerator and app-controlled oven make cooking more convenient. Sleek, minimalist cabinets and materials like stainless steel and glass create a polished look, while integrated appliances maintain a seamless appearance. Integrated lighting, such as LED strip lights and motion sensor lighting, enhances functionality and adds a futuristic touch. Touchless faucets and smart sinks add modern flair and improve cleanliness. Tech-savvy storage solutions like pull-out shelves and hidden compartments keep the kitchen organized and efficient. A high-tech cooking hub or smart display can show recipes, play music, and control other smart appliances. Personal touches and DIY. Adding personal touches and DIY projects brings character and warmth to your kitchen. Custom shelving, whether built from reclaimed wood or with floating designs, showcases personal items and maximizes storage. Display cookbooks, plants, or decorative pieces to reflect your style. Handmade decor items like artwork, pottery, or personalized signage add a unique touch and showcase creativity. Upcycling furniture with paint or new hardware gives old pieces a fresh look that fits your kitchen style. Incorporating personal collections or hobbies, such as vintage kitchenware, travel souvenirs, or family heirlooms, adds meaning and personality. Small DIY projects, like chalkboard walls or custom spice racks, enhance functionality and add handmade charm to your space. As we've explored, there are various ways to transform your kitchen into a space that reflects your style and enhances functionality. From the clean lines of modern minimalism to the warmth of rustic charm, the vibrant energy of bold colors, the sleek efficiency of high-tech designs, and the personal touch of DIY projects, each style offers unique opportunities to create a kitchen that suits your lifestyle and preferences. Whether you prefer a minimalist aesthetic, a cozy rustic retreat, a lively burst of color, or cutting-edge technology, the key is to find elements that resonate with you and bring joy to your everyday life. Remember, your kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it's a hub of creativity, connection, and comfort. By incorporating these decor ideas and personalizing your space, you can truly make your kitchen the heart of your home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration and tips. What's your favorite kitchen decor style? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.